Hey guys, it's Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on potential Barry, which is now potential tropical cyclone 2, and tropical storm watches have been issued. But before I go into details, please subscribe if you haven't, and you can also tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, and you can also share to make persons out there know what is taking place as well as to help the channel grow. So here we have potential Barry, and it is not yet a depression but is expected to become one at least by later today or by early tomorrow, and late tomorrow or sometime tomorrow it is also expected to become a tropical storm. Here we have it on this map at 7 p.m. and at least by Saturday it is expected to become a hurricane, and the National Hurricane Center is saying it probably peaks at 85 miles per hour for wind speeds, and that is a Cat 1. So they're expecting it to peak at Cat 1. But remember, we are talking about the Gulf of Mexico, and we see storms rapidly intensify. So don't just take it that, okay, it is just a Cat 1. It is still going to bring a lot of rainfall and tropical storm force winds and storm surge. So do not take the storm lightly, especially if you live in Louisiana. So here is the rainfall threat map, and we see that Louisiana is definitely the aim for this brewing tropical storm. And this area in pink right here, up to 15 inches of rainfall, but thankfully no land areas are there. But Louisiana expected to get up to 10 inches of rainfall, and that is a lot. That can cause some significant flooding and destruction. So if you're in Louisiana, please just take the necessary precautions from now. We don't want to hear of any fatalities whatsoever from this brewing tropical storm. And surrounding states such as Alabama, Mississippi, and the most westerly side of the Florida Panhandle also expected to get quite a bit of rainfall from brewing Barry. And the maximum rainfall expected to these areas out 1 to 2 inches. So not a lot, but still some significant rainfall from brewing Barry. And along with that, as you're seeing in yellow here, tropical storm watch is being issued for parts of Louisiana from the mouth of the Mississippi River to Morgan City. So these areas expected to get tropical storm conditions at least by the next 12 to 36 hours, I'd say. And remember, if you live along the coast in Louisiana, you need to get out, because storm surge definitely going to be a problem. There will be a lot of flooding from brewing Barry. So guys, I just hope that you heed the warnings if you live in any of these areas to be affected. And with that being said, this is what potential tropical cyclone 2 looks like. We don't see much organization, and that is why some slow strengthening is expected at least for the next 24 hours or so, because there isn't a well-defined center and it lacks, a lot of circulation. So it is not organized. You don't see like a cluster of thunderstorm activity. We're just seeing it all over the place, and Louisiana is currently getting some of the effects from it, as you're seeing here. But as we go throughout the rest of today and throughout the rest of this week, we are expecting to see more organization, stronger winds, and probably the rainfall threat will increase. So I will keep giving the necessary updates on brewing Barry. So guys, if you found this video pretty informative, please give a like, and remember to always be weather-wise.